Like, you olive branch, like dead ass, like, bro. I've never had to deal with a Citation. Like, I'm from the country. Who does that shit? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. This is just a little video to pretty much give you guys a little update on what's going on with the G. I was in this thing of trying to upload like once a week. I wasn't able to upload this past weekend because my hometown was hit by a tornado, so I had to go down there and, you know, tend to my family. But I'm gonna insert a little clip right here, show you what it looked like. They're gonna run my car shit right there. Mm-hmm. How y'all doing? What's up, man? Yeah, but we're still progressing with the G. I haven't done much to it, but like finishing the front end. I've seen in the last video. If y'all haven't seen it, it is up here. I got shit everywhere. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I think I'm going to do like 2 bars right here. Damn, ashy as hell. Maybe get like janky fabrications put right here, cut out or something. Yeah, onto the inside of the car. I'm gonna show you guys what I want to do with the inside of the car. By the way, like I got a freaking Citation, as you guys can see with the title of this video. I was saying that my car couldn't be like on jack stands, so I'm gonna have to cover this thing up every time so it doesn't look like an eyesore. With the inside of the G, I'm thinking about doing some weird shit. I'm gonna tear all this stuff out. I'm gonna like block it off, but I'm thinking about doing like some tubes from like here, like up, meeting in the middle, and like going into the trunk, make a cross, you know, brake style, and probably do like a harness bar and shit. Like I said, all this stuff will come out, and I'll like block that all off in the back, paint it up in here. I want to keep all of the like carpet and shit. Hey, y'all remember how like Grand Theft Auto they used to walk up to the car and be like, and pull that hoe open hard as hell, fool. Probably almost broke the damn door. Oh yeah, I gotta get a trim because my guy was like parting his up. So, damn, look at that. That shit just fell. Damn, bro, I'm big as hell in here. Shit. Damn. Bro, I ain't disinfected nothing, and this junk had like big ass dookie turrets in it. How does this shit come off? Damn. I almost peeled my shit off. Alright. Bro, I probably didn't even have to do this. Huh. Yeah, I did. This is not sanitational, or maybe healthy is the word. Look at that big ass mosquito. This is probably not healthy because, like I said, it was some big ass rat turds in here that's literally like the size of dog shit. I can't get it out. Oi. Damn, I'm literally destroying shit. What I'm wanting to do is pretty much cover all of this, and maybe just have like the tubing going through the middle. Let me get up out of here. So yeah, pretty much just destroyed the inside of this car. Can y'all see how bad that flake? That's trash. That definitely gotta come out. I'm gonna wrap this up, guys, because I just got home from work. Like I said, the front end is coming along pretty damn good. Pretty good. So yeah, this was like a little short video, just to keep, you know, the videos rolling, trying to come to you every week. So If you're not following, subscribe to the channel, go to my Facebook and Instagram, like and follow, share that stuff. I'm trying to blow this up. Stay tuned for the next video. We out, guys.